Blessings friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a Chinese soup dessert called coconut milk with tapioca and taro. In Cantonese it's called Wu Tao Sai Mai Lo. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot, which makes it so easy and so good. Let's get started. To make coconut milk with tapioca and taro, you will need 1 can of coconut milk. This is a 14-ounce can. You will also need some tapioca. I bought this tapioca at my local Asian grocery store. It's a small size tapioca pearls, and you'll need 1/3 cup of that. As well, you will need some rock sugar. Depending on how sweet you like it, you can use 1/3 cup, which is what I'm using, of rock sugar. But if you like it sweeter, you can bump it up to 1/2 cup of rock sugar. And of course, you will need some taro root. Here is a piece of taro root. It is dark brown on the outside, and inside it's white with little speckles of purple in it. And this is a root vegetable that is found grown in Asia and is often served in savory as well as sweet dishes. And you will need 4 cups of water. Wash the taro root and peel the brown skin off. Then dice the taro into 1 centimeter cubes. Now it's time to plug in your Instant Pot and put the lid on. Ensure the steam release valve is in the sealing position. Set the Instant Pot on 10 minutes high pressure using the manual button. When it's reached L5, that means that lapse time has been 5 minutes, and we can go ahead and release the rest of the steam from the Instant Pot by switching the steam release valve from sealing to venting, and release the rest of the steam. This coconut milk with tapioca and taro is now ready to serve hot. This dessert also tastes good at room temperature, and even better when it's chilled, where it takes on a pudding-like consistency. Just spoon it into a bowl and get ready to enjoy. Now let's give this the taste test. You get the creaminess from the coconut milk, a really nice mouthfeel from the tapioca, and you get chunks of starchy taro, which practically melt in your mouth. This is so good. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments and questions below, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, Please remember to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye!